We are the Protomac GML team, a proud Canadian manufacturer located in the heart of Quebec. GML's story began in 1984 and Protomax in 1996. In 2024, to prepare for the next generation, the company became Protomac GML. In early 2010, we were just over 10 employees. Today, we are proud of our growth and now have nearly 40 employees. Partners with Urban for nearly 30 years, did you know that although Urban is a German manufacturer, it has 2 manufacturing plants in Canada, one in Fredericton, New Brunswick, and the other in Cambridge, Ontario. We manufacture machinery and industrial tooling specialized in the doors and windows sector. We have the equipment to work with PVC, fiberglass, wood, and light alloys such as aluminum. Industry 4.0 has been part of our operations for many years now. Automation is our everyday reality. We do everything possible to maintain full control over our production. Like you, we cut raw materials, machine them, weld, assemble, program, and fully commission the equipment at our facility. Clients want trusted suppliers who offer solutions tailored to their needs and who will support them over the long term. We don't claim to be perfect, but we dare to dream it. Welcome to Protomac GML, the team that makes a difference.